Yes. Good afternoon, Yamur.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So today we're gonna be having a short speaking exam, and we have three activities. Okay, the papers I'm giving you right now. The first paper is activity one, and then there you will tell me. I will tell you. I will describe a picture to you that I have on my in front of me, and then you will tell me, looking at your picture, how it is different from mine. Okay, so yes, for example, in my picture there is a guy, a waitress, wearing a green jacket. On his tray he has two orange juices. What about in your picture?
in my picture, the guy has a food. Has foods.
Fruits.
Fruit.
Okay, yes. And then on the table next to the guy, I have in my picture, they have three magazines. What about in your picture?
In my picture, on the table, a cake. There's a cake.
Okay. And then in my picture, there is a woman standing by the door. She has a hand brush in her hand. What about in your picture?
In my picture, the woman in her hands, what's the meaning of scissors?
Scissors.
Yes, scissors.
Scissors.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then next, in my watch, when you look on your right, far right on the wall, the watch is showing 5 o'clock. What about in your picture?
In my picture, 5:30.
Okay, that's nice. In my picture, there's a box of toys behind the guy on the microscope. It's showing the train in the box. What about in your picture?
The box. I don't understand. Can you say that?
Sorry, yes, I'm saying in my picture, there's a box of toys. The box has a train inside it. What about in your picture?
In my picture, the big box is empty.
Okay, mine has books. What about the train? For mine, it's in the box.
This one.
The train. The toy train.
In my picture, train. You ask.
Yes, toy train.
Next to the box, small box.
Next to the box. And then one last picture. I have the guy who has the stripe tie. He's wearing a blue down striped t-shirt. What about in your picture?
In my picture, the guy has red straight. What's the meaning of? I forgot.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Yes, okay, thank you. So now we're moving on to activity 2. Yes, this one. Can you see that for Robert's favorite restaurant you have question marks? You have answers. Robert's favorite question, this part. You have answers. And I have answers for Sarah's favorite restaurant, and you have questions. So what we're doing here is I will ask you questions about Robert, and you'll answer me from your book, okay, from your page. And then for Sarah, you ask me questions, and I'll give you answers because I have the information for Sarah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. What is Robert's favorite restaurant's name?
His favorite restaurant name is the Black Cat.
Oh, when he goes there, what does he like to eat?
He likes eat pasta.
Okay, and what time does this restaurant open?
It's 20 o'clock.
Okay, is it cheap or expensive to eat there?
It's expensive to eat there.
Okay, and where do you find this restaurant?
You can find North Street.
North Street, thank you. Now you ask me questions about Sarah and I'll answer you. Okay, yes.
What's Sarah's favorite restaurant?
The name is Rainbows.
What Sarah's? No, I don't think.
Yes, you can think.
Mm. What Sarah's like eating there?
Yeah, Sarah likes eating pizza when she goes there.
Mm. Where can I find there?
You can find it on Hill Street.
Mm. What time is open? No. Yes.
It opens at 12:30.
There no. Is there cheap or expensive?
It is cheap to eat there. Thank you. Now we can move on to our last activity, which is activity 3. In activity 3, you have 5 pictures, okay? These pictures, they tell you what is happening in the story, but you will tell me in your own words what you see in the picture, okay? In picture 1, you can tell me like what is happening, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, to form a story with the beginning and an ending, okay? Yes. So you can look at the picture. I'll give you time to look at the picture, and then you can, when you're ready, you can start.
Okay.
Yes, she's ready. Yes, okay. Tell me about picture 1.
Nick and Sarah listening to lesson,
Yeah.
and then they saw one thing, and they said teacher. They point, and teacher saw a cat on the tree, and she went to what drink of. Okay, then she went to tree, and she climbed the tree, and she took cats. Then all children so happy. All children are so happy that they just
That they have the cat.
yes.
Yes, thank you. Very good.